So here we have the finished, restored plane. I could not be happier with how this turned out. It takes a fine, thin shaving. It is super flat on the sole, and I can't believe how well it turned out. It was an absolutely amazing challenge for me. In the future, I would really love to keep challenging my skills this way to become a better maker. I really hope that the short restoration project has inspired you to challenge yourself in whatever you do, whether that be your job or any sort of art that you pursue. On the end screen, I'll put a card to the entire playlist of the series. That way, if you'd like to watch me restoring this hand plane from the very beginning, you can do so. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what I'm doing here, please give this video a like. If you really love what I'm doing, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.